Uh, Hello everyone. We are Team 44, Sainath, Mona, and Vishal, and today we'll be presenting you a demo of our project, which is Trackmydollar, developed for the SE code set NC state. So, what is Trackmydollar? Trackmydollar is a Telegram bot, as you can see in the screen, that is designed to make expenses tracking quick and seamless. Our bot allows users to record daily expenses on a local storage with ease and simplicity, and we have added five new features to Trackmydollar, which is version 5.0. So, I mean, broadly, what before explaining about the new features, I want to explain what it already has. So, it can record expenses. So, there are straightforward commands like add, delete, and user can quickly add their new spending, and you can view the summary. Like users can check their total spending for the day and for month, and helping they stay up to date with the finances. And it also shows the spending history and edits, like users can review their spending history, edit and change any expenses details. And it also has a recurring expenses, like for periodic subscription like expenses. Users can set up a recurring entry, and it also has some custom categories, just not the default things like groceries, food, etc. You can also add your own custom categories, and there is also data visualizations, like you will be getting pie charts and bar graphs, as you can see in the project poster. So these are the existing features that we have in Trackmydollar. And as part of the phase five, we have included five new features, which are calendar integration. Like when a user adds an expense, it will also ask for what day is this expense, so that you can keep track on daily basis, like what's exactly happening. And the second feature is income tracking. Like the Track My Dollar now supports income tracking, helping users manage both income and expenses for better financial planning. And the third feature is multi-currency support. Earlier, it only supported dollars. Now we have supported rupee and euros as well. And the fourth is we have added more test cases than earlier. And so enhanced test cases and the new batches, as you can see. And next, we have also added automatic code quality checks. So we have added the static analysis and security scans for the code which we are given. So these are all the five features which we have added. And I'll just go to the README. And now I'll explain you how to go. First, you need to clone the Git repo. I have already cloned in my left tab. So I've already installed all the requirements, and I have my Telegram bot ready over here. So first, let me start. The command which I'll be giving is run.sh. So now it starts pooling. Uh, I'll go to the Telegram. Like if I add menu, it will tell me what all options do I. Presently, if I presently there are no options available. So if I add something, so food. And you can't add any expenses, because before adding an expenses, you need to have an income set. So here I'll add the income. It is asking for monthly expense. I'll say 500. So now that the income is set to $500, now I'll add the expenses. So I'll select the category as food. How much here I can add it in euros as well, dollars as well. So here I'm trying to add it in rupees. It is asking for the date of transaction. I'll give today's date, 2024 hyphen 11 hyphen 01. Uh, do you have any upload? No, I don't have. No, I'm done. So the expense has recorded. If you want to check the expense. So as we have gave it in rupees, it instantly converted to USD dollars. And on what day the expense has occurred. Now I'll try to add one more category. Let's say transport. Now I'll try to add it in euros. 37 EUR. And on what day I'll just give yesterday, which is 10:31. Do you have any receipt? No, I'm done. So if I click on history, here you can see all the expenses. So it is basically converting euros to dollars. And if I try to give more than the income, I think earlier I have given income as 500. So I'll try to give 600 USD. Here it says that transaction cannot be recorded because the total expense of 653 is greater than, because it already added the earlier expenses. So it's greater than the base income. So we can't get this thing up. And then you also have display, which displays for food. Now it is asking for the period. Select D. So it is calculating for that particular period of time, how much is them. Earlier we have only got food. So for food, we spent around 14 and the remaining is so and so. I mean, remaining also includes the thing which we have already spent for transport as well. So that's it. So yeah, that's all I want. I mean, in this demo, we have seen income feature, we have seen multi-currency feature, and we have seen what's the other one? Calendar feature. So it asks for the date also. So these three features are provided, and you can see that you have static can, which redirects to the action which it is taken, like the workflow, and all the batches, new batches which we added, and number of test cases. So this is it for demo. Thanks for your time.